Learning with Zachary and Zayden.
What's up, Monster Truck fans? We have Bigfoot, the OG, and we have Gravedigger, 40th anniversary. Oh yeah. And these two trucks are here to tell you what's going on. Well, today we are doing a monster truck arena. Yeah, and in this arena we're gonna have competitions and much more. Let's check it out. Zoom out. We have a whole lot of monster trucks in today's arena. Everyone is here to see what's going on. Some of favorites like Mr. El Toro Loco and Gunster. Gunster and Zombie, what do you have here? This is the Monster Jam launcher. We're about to see how it works in action. Let's go. Okay, fans, today we have the Monster Jam launcher. Oh yeah, and we have some pretty cool monster trucks loaded up. We have Megalodon, we have Alien Invasion, we have Great Clips Mohawk Warrior, down there we have Son of a Digger, and we have Monster Mutt Dalmatian. And right here we have Mr. Zombie. Zombie, eat bone. Oh no! Zombie will be launching too. Okay, now we're done with that. Let's see this thing in action. Okay, the mission is to launch and hit the blocks. Let's open it up. The launcher is ready. First truck ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, missed launch. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's Max D. That was epic.
Thanks for watching my channel. Hit the subscribe button.